One of the more interesting characteristics of this viral infection is its ability to cause your immune system to forget the immunities that's already been built up over the course of one's life. Studies on non-human mammals found that the measles virus can replace your memory cells with new ones, which basically causes your immune system to reset itself. To save time, I'm going to throw up a picture of how our memory T and B cells remember foreign invaders the body has been exposed to. This memory system is crucial to our immune system's health and is the entire foundation of voluntary vaccinations. An incredibly simplified explanation of how the memory reset works is the infected macrophage travels down the lymphatic tissue. There, the measles virus will bind itself to the already existing memory cells. In response, our immune system will destroy the measles-infected memory cells, destroying not only the memory cells, but also the built-up immunity within them. We have definitive proof that the memory T and B cells produced right after measles infection are vastly different from the memory cells that the body had before the infection. Long-term statistical models have found that this weakened immune state usually lasts 2 to 3 years, with the average duration being 27 months. It's an even longer time period for children, who may require as many as 5 years to redevelop a healthy immune system after a bout with measles. At this point, you may be wondering what you can personally do to ensure that this doesn't happen to yourself or your loved ones. The answer: vaccinate. Get the measles vaccine. Make sure your loved ones get vaccinated too. The World Health Organization has stated that the measles virus is returning, and the only way we can eradicate measles is if enough people get vaccinated.